Would AI teachers replace human teachers? Let's talk about something we all deal with in learning. Whether you're in school, taking an online course, or just watching YouTube to pick up new skills, the way we learn is evolving fast. And guess what's behind that change? AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming education from top to bottom. Personalized learning is the biggest game changer. With AI, apps and platforms can now adapt to you. They track what you struggle with, what you're good at, and how fast you're learning. Then they adjust the content in real time. No more one-size-fits-all. Take apps like Duolingo or Khan Academy. They don't just throw lessons at you randomly. They use AI to figure out exactly where you're stuck and offer practice questions based on your weak spots. The goal? To make learning smoother, faster, and more effective. Then there's automated grading. Teachers can now spend less time marking papers and more time teaching. AI tools can grade multiple-choice quizzes, analyze written essays for grammar and coherence, and even provide instant feedback to students. It's saving hours of work and giving students quicker responses. AI is also opening doors for students with disabilities. Speech-to-text, real-time captions, and smart learning assistants are making education more accessible than ever. Imagine a student who struggles with reading using an AI tutor that reads material out loud or summarizes complex topics into bite-sized explanations. That's the kind of transformation we're talking about. But it's not all sunshine. There are concerns. Data privacy is a huge one. AI systems in schools collect a lot of personal information about students. Who controls that data? How is it being used? Another issue is fairness. If the training data is biased, AI might treat certain students differently or misjudge their abilities. So while AI is helping millions of people learn in smarter ways, we have to be thoughtful about how it's designed and used. Education is personal, and we need to make sure the tech respects that. Would you want an AI tutor helping you study, or would you rather stick with a human teacher? And do you think AI will ever replace classrooms completely?
You learned something new. Tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.